Hello, orange squirrels. We are on lesson 2.8, Algebra, different ways to show numbers. How can you use blocks or quick pictures to show the value of a number in different ways? Draw quick pictures to solve. Write how many tens and ones. Mrs. Peabody has 35 books on a cart to take to the classroom. She can use boxes that hold 10 books, and she can also place single books on the cart. How many different ways can she put books on the cart? Now, right now they're just asking us to show two of the different ways. There are several different ways, but right now let's just show two different ones. So she has 35. The easiest way, of course, to do that is to do what? 3 tens, 5 ones. So go ahead and draw that. Three tens, 5 ones. But it says she can use boxes of 10 books, or she can just place a single book. So what if she only wanted to use 2 boxes of 10 books, and she wanted to use the rest, just put the rest on just single books? She still needs to have these 10 books, right? So she's going to have to put them on as single books, all 10 of them. Let's show it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice how I made it in stacks of 5. It just helps keep it organized. And don't forget those 5 that we already had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 35. So now how many 10s do we have? 2 10s. And how many 1s? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2 10s. 15 ones. Okay, I think you guys remember doing something similar to this not long ago. Now, that was just a review with tens and ones. What you're going to do today is expand that same idea, but into hundreds, tens, and ones. Here are 2 ways to show 148. 100, 4 tens, 8 ones. That one's obvious. Everybody knows that one. You guys have that one in your sleep. But oh my goodness, look what they did here. They took that 100 and they broke it up, so they don't have any hundreds left. And they have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 tens, and still 8 ones. Let's look here, 213. Again, this is the obvious way. 2 hundreds. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 3. How many hundreds? 2. Now see, they didn't break up any of the hundreds. What they broke up is the tens. Do we have any whole tens anymore? Nope. We have 0 tens. How many ones? 2 full stacks of 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, 132 now. This time they didn't start out showing us the normal way. They started out with it all broken up. How many hundreds are there? No complete hundreds. How many tens? Well, 2 sets of 5. 5 and 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13. Write it. And how many ones? 2. Now here, at least they gave us one of the whole hundreds. Well, I guess that's the only whole 100 there could be. 100. How many tens? 2 tens. And how many ones? 2 stacks of 5 is 10, 11, 12. All right, so go ahead. This one's pretty easy. You just write exactly what you see. And then there's one on the back about marbles in boxes of 100, in bags of 10, and as single marbles. You've got to work with 324 marbles and show 2 different ways to do it. Go ahead and do the lesson. See what you can do on that. I'll be ready to help you when I'm done with the other class.